Hello, my name is Yadira with Forest Origins. If you're watching this video, chances are you've already harvested your first batch of mushrooms from your grow kit, and now you're looking to get even more out of it. Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to get a bonus crop. If you haven't harvested your mushrooms yet, it's super simple. You just grab it from the base and twist, and they should come off pretty easily. There are 5 simple steps. Step 1 is to gently scrape and remove any stems left from the previous harvest with a fork. Step 2 is to poke the treated area and make an X about 1 inch deep. Step 3 is to fill a tray with about 2 inches of water and submerge the treated area in the water for about 3 days. This will help the mushroom kit absorb the water and help it regenerate. Remove the kit out of the water and give it a good shake to get the excess water out. Step 4 is to wrap the mushroom kit in a paper towel and mist the treated area 2 to 3 times daily for about 1 to 2 weeks. This should be about 10 to 12 sprays each time. This will help keep in the humidity so your mushrooms can start growing sooner. Step 5 is to check on your mushroom kit every day to see when it starts pinning. Once you see some growth, remove the paper towel and continue to mist it 2 to 3 times daily until it's ready to harvest again. The bonus crop can take a little bit longer to grow, so patience is key in order to get another beautiful harvest out of your mushroom grow kit. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to get a bonus crop from your mushroom grow kit. We hope these tips were helpful and that you were able to successfully grow more delicious mushrooms. If you have any additional questions about how to care for your mushroom growing kit, please visit our FAQ page for more information. Thank you for choosing Forest Origins and happy growing!